Hey guys, and what's up TFS? It's your girl FunSize here, and happy 2019. So before 2018 ended, I actually decided to get a new roommate, and I wanted to do something to make them feel more welcomed. So I decided to make them a fun basket, and I wanted you guys to be a part of the ride. The item I decided to go with was this one wall decal that you can actually put up on your wall, and it's easy cleanup, and you can just take warm water and it'll peel right back off. I also decided to add in some cotton swabs for an easy cleanup through your ears, and of course add in a little teddy bear for some presentation. I also got some body wash so you don't have to worry about using other people's soap, and a matching body spray to help make the body feel fresh. I also can't have a welcome basket without a toothbrush kit. This kit actually came with the mouthwash, the toothbrush cover, and the toothbrush as well. I also added in some lotion because you can't have ashy elbows on a trip. Guys, after adding the decorative shreds into the basket, I forgot that I was supposed to add on the, what do I call this? Tissue paper. There we go. Sorry. The tissue paper has to go inside before the shreds get added in. So I am going to go back in and do that really quick and fast for you guys. Okay, now this is how our basket should be looking with our shreds and our wrapping paper on top of it. Now we just need to transition our items into the basket. Now, the way I get my items to fit into the basket, I take my larger or heavier items and leave them in the back, and the smaller items transition to the front. I'm trying to figure out if I want to put it on the bed for when he walks in, or just leave it right there on the dresser. And if you guys don't notice, this is also the 2x4 day bed that I had uploaded for you guys. Say hi to Rocco and MJ. But later for now, guys. Oh, let me know down below in the comments if there are any other videos you would like to see. And also let me know if you guys actually like how I decided to reorganize the room and the gift basket. There's a lot of videos you guys should be liking, but I'm not even judging you. I just want you guys to know that you can actually purchase this basket or any other custom themed basket of your liking on my website at www.funsizecreations.shop. And I want to say, learn to love yourself before trying to learn to love anybody else, guys. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Later for now.